Hello, and welcome to Groundwork Foundations. I'm Angie, your guide for this meditation. Thank you for being here, taking this time to reconnect with yourself and center your heart. This meditation is designed to support the Heart Chakra, the center of love, compassion, and emotional healing. Today, we'll explore its radiant green and soft pink energies through gentle breathwork, vivid visualization, and loving awareness. You'll be fully guided throughout, so don't worry about counting or remembering each breath. Simply listen and let go. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just gently return to my voice. Let's begin by settling into your space. You can lie down or sit comfortably, whatever allows your heart to feel safe. Now take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold. 1, 2, 3. And release slowly through your mouth. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. And exhale gently. 3, 2, 1. Let's take a few more together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. One last deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale fully. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, imagine yourself in a dreamlike world. The air is warm and soft, and the light shimmers in hues of jade and rose. Before you lies a jade waterfall cascading into a serene pool. The water glows a soft green, and where it crashes gently into the pool below, pink foam rises and drifts in waves. The sound of water is calming, rhythmic, a heartbeat in nature. You walk slowly toward it, and nearby birds circle overhead. These aren't ordinary birds. They carry feelings. As they pass, you feel them lifting old emotional weight, freeing your chest. You lay down beside the water on thick green grass, scent of wildflowers in the air. The sky above is soft and open, pink clouds drifting peacefully. As you cloud gaze, you notice the clouds take shapes, maybe a heart, a dove, or the silhouette of something once lost but lovingly remembered. Each cloud seems to drift through memory, softening whatever it touches. You feel safe watching them, like time is suspended just for you. Now bring to your awareness any past hurts or lingering heaviness around love, connection, or trust. Don't rush or judge. Just allow what needs to rise to rise. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold and feel it. And now release fully. 4, 3, 2, 1. With compassion. You've carried so much, and now it's time to begin releasing that weight. Let the waterfall beside you become a mirror. Step into the pool and allow it to wrap around you. The water is warm. The pink waves swirl around your heart space. Let them cleanse you. Let them soften you. Now see yourself stepping out of the pool, wrapped in a mint green toga cloth. Your heart feels lighter, softer, but also stronger. Place a hand on your chest if it feels right, and say to yourself, I give and receive love with balance. I am worthy of compassion. I radiate peace. And now, feel that energy extending outward, not to drain you, but to gently ripple beyond you, to those you love, to the world, to yourself. Begin to return your awareness to your body. Start with a body scan from your feet to the crown of your head. Notice any places that feel relaxed, warm, or shifted. Breathe in one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let it go. 4, 3, 2, 1. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this sacred space and moment with me. Feel free to return here anytime your heart needs a little care. You're always welcome at Groundwork Foundations for guided meditations, mental health education, and a space that holds you just as you are. Until next time, beloved.